house this weekend, which was fun. I didn't record any of it because it was just kind of our little date day. But at about midnight on Saturday, so technically Sunday morning, midnight, we were going to go to bed and our water heater started leaking. Now our water heater has like slowly been leaking and it pops and makes a bunch of noise, and we've contacted like 4 plumbers in the last month to come and look at it, and nobody ever wanted to come and take a look or come to the house. And we've called them repeatedly and no one ever wanted to show up. Well, we had truck issues, obviously, so we're like, oh, we'll just call them later again, you know, here in the next couple weeks after the truck we get a bill paid on the truck to catch up on things. Well, about midnight Saturday, the water heater started leaking, and I mean like leaking. So Preston had to crawl down in our crawl space because we don't have a basement. We just have a crawl space underneath the whole house. So he had to crawl down to the base, or the crawl space, and we don't have a shutoff valve on our water heater like you're supposed to. They never put one in. Whoever put it in did not put one. So there's not a shutoff valve. So we had to shut the water off to the whole house so it would stop leaking. So we haven't had water all weekend. But we called a different plumber, someone we never have contacted before, and they said that they would be here Monday morning. So they were apparently here, from what I have been told from Preston, because they've called him asking where like the shutoff valves are and everything like that. So I am on my lunch break right now, headed home so I can talk with them. So yeah, fun stuff. Never-ending cycle. Would you look at that? New water heater today. Fun stuff. And we kept the old one so we can maybe cut it open and see what the inside of it looks like, because he said that it was so full of crap and there's no way that he just didn't feel comfortable leaving it. Fixing the old one pretty much. I got home. Me and Preston planted my dahlia plants. So I planted a bunch of dahlias. I'll kind of show you. They don't look like much because obviously they're not up. They're just like the little sprouts, bulbs. But I'll show you that. And I'm also watering the grass because now we have water, finally. But yeah, once again. So this is the before, and we'll see what they turn into when they grow. Just got home and I'm going to make some corn dip because that is what I'm craving. So that is what I'm going to make. And I'm washing dishes. You get pool day because it's 90 degrees. I think that's all the water you're gonna get in there, so I can actually dump it out though. Alrighty guys, hey guys, today is currently Wednesday. I have not vlogged anything all week, and this is kind of what it's like when you get a fire call late in the evening. This fire call actually started last night and it has been all day process today. Chris is out patrolling it to make sure it doesn't restart. But I'm just hanging out at the firehouse by myself. So this is kind of what it looks like. It's just a room, guys. Hey guys, so today is currently Thursday and I decided that I was trying to figure out what to do for my Mother's Day gift. I'm kind of redoing it. So I had to stop at Hobby Lobby to get Supply to see what they had, because it is a lot closer than going to a different store that's further away. So I just got done in there, and now I'm gonna head back home. How do you guys like this angle? This is the new car mount that we got. It's in my car. We do need to get another one for Chris's car, or the truck. So yeah, what do you think of this? Yeah, I'm gonna head back home and see what I can get done on my Mother's Day gift. So how is it already 2:15? I've been up since 9:30 this morning, and it's 2:15, and I feel like I have done a day's worth of stuff when I haven't done anything. But then I feel like I've done a lot of things. Does anybody else feel that way? Alrighty guys, so today is currently Friday, and I made these like yogurt ball frozen. They're frozen, okay? They're dog yogurt. I'm gonna go ahead and give this to Moon and see if he likes it. Come on, Moon. Oh, we are so excited. He seems to be liking it. Alrighty, hey guys, today's Saturday, and it is pouring rain outside. I don't know if you can see that, but we are on our way to take the dogs. Dog 1 is right there, dog 2 is right there, to go get their nails cut. Hopefully you can hear me. He's like, I don't want to move. He's stressed. I got my nails done. Look at the pretties. I think they're cute. Look at the pretties. Alright, go get coffee, but we're gonna rock, paper, scissors to determine where we're gonna go. Chris is picking a place, I'm picking a place. Whoever wins, that's where we're going. Regardless. Where do you want?
We all know we're both gonna pick the same place.
I picked a different place.
I picked Summer Brew.
I knew you would. I pick Hyper. We're gonna try that if I win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. I won.
3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. You won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. I won. Hyper it is. Let's go. There's the menu.
It's raining.
It's raining. Alright, you want to show them the coffees? Here's mine. I asked for no whipped cream though, so no whipped cream. And then this is Chris's. Mine, because mine's more basic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try. Very strong. Very mocha. Not a lot of white chocolate.
Yeah.
Kind of prefer 7 Brew. Your turn. Try yours.
Campfire.
Campfire. They might just have a really strong coffee. Oh look, there's like a chocolate down.
Holy crap.
Whew. Yours is really, really sweet. Mine is really, really bitter. What?
Jesus.
What?
Strong.
It's strong. Do you like it or hate it? I don't mind yours.
It's okay. I prefer 7 Brew.
7 Brew's better. This is bad. That's really, really bad. I'd prefer yours over mine.
Yeah.
Probably just gonna go to 7 Brew. But McKenna really wanted us to try it. So we tried it, Kenna. For watching. We definitely would just prefer 7 Brew. It tastes better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and play tic-tac-toe to see where we're going for our supper tonight. If I win, I'm thinking Applebee's. What's your pick?
We can do Texas Roadhouse.
I don't have a game plan. Okay. Alright. Game 2. Right here. I go first.
Fine, go first.
It's gonna be... You can't use the middle. How about that? Can't use the middle because the middle is only gonna get us a draw. Dang it!
God, still want you.
Yeah. This is not it. Chris wins. He won.
No, what was it?
Garbage!
The camera went up to disappointment.
It wasn't recording.
Alright, we are back with another Miniverse Make It Mini Animals edition. I've only opened 2,